Traders, hello, namaste, namaskara. Welcome to your YouTube channel, Stock Market Teacher. And what will you learn in this channel or through this video is first thing that you will learn is how I identify levels on Nifty and Bank Nifty index to take trades for the next trading day. Second, what you learn in this video and through the Stock Market Teacher channel is at what level I'm looking to take a long or a short trade and where will I take my stop loss. Thirdly, in which strike price I'll be doing option buying. Fourthly, did I take any trade today and did I make any profit or loss today and the logic behind the trade. Alright, guys, I'm very sorry for not uploading videos for so many days because I was not keeping well and I was down with the viral. And also you can see the market was also down with bearishness until yesterday. Okay, and today you can see a little bit of relief in the market. So we are going to start with not wasting any more time, and we are going to start with the first thing, how what we are looking at markets today, what happened. All right, so if you see on Nifty first, and then we go to Bank Nifty. If you see on Nifty, the price opened a gap up. Okay, from yesterday's closing, it went up. Okay, and the selling again forced the market to come down to 16,950 levels, and then again it made a U-turn from there and closing near to the highs of the day. Okay, where it opened, it has closed near to that particular level. So the bearishness that was set in the initial stages in today's trading day, it was taken over at the end by the bulls. Okay, as you can see it from here. Okay, the move that went up from here, that's what happened in Bank Nifty. And in Bank Nifty, the same, it's replica of what happened in Nifty. First the bearishness, the selling took over, and then the bullishness, the bulls came and moved the price higher. And in Bank Nifty it was a little bit more bullishness. As you can see, the market closed above the opening and higher than the day's high. Okay, so this is what happened in Bank Nifty. So what are we going to learn first now is how I identify levels on Nifty and Bank Nifty index to take trades for next trading day. Now, before I do that, okay, before I do that, I would request you all to watch the video that I uploaded on 12th stock market crash today, okay, for the 13th trading day. And there is so much of learning, and you see how the market reacted, and I couldn't trade for many days, okay, because I was not keeping well. But you can see how the market reacted to those levels, and you will have a lot of learning. Okay, you get a lot of learning in this video, and this video made it clear, okay, who was winning in the markets. Was it the bulls or was it the bears? All right, and just a request before we deep dive into the analysis. Okay, if you are not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel, or to your channel, the Stock Market Teacher. The reason you are going to subscribe is you are going to learn and you are going to educate yourself with a lot of learning through these videos. Okay, and share it with your family and friends and hit on the bell notification. All right, and do click on the like button so that the YouTube knows that you like Stock Market Teacher videos, and it encourages me, motivates me to make these videos on a daily basis, on a consistent basis. And I know that people are getting benefited through this channel of your Stock Market Teacher. All right. So now let's understand let's analyze and let's find out the levels on Nifty and Bank Nifty index to take trades or for Monday's trading day, that is for 20th March. All right. So as you know that I start marking the levels by marking the high first and then the day's low. So what is the high on Nifty today? The high on Nifty today is 17,145.80. So that is your high. The red dash line is your high for Nifty. And what is the low for Nifty today? The low for Nifty today is 16,958 levels, and that level we will mark it with the blue dotted line. Okay. So this is your high and the low. Now let's understand what has happened in regards to the levels. Okay, which levels are we looking at to trade for Monday, where we are going to look at a short trade or where we are going to look at a long trade. All right, so now if you see, okay, if you see here, I will mark those levels in this rectangular box. Okay, if you see the market, okay, came down, pushed up higher, came down, pushed up higher, came down, pushed higher. Okay, it pushed higher, came down and pushed higher from this level. Now, if you see here, this level that we are looking at of 17,000 to 17,020 levels, okay, this makes a very clear good support for Nifty for Monday's session. Okay, now you can see the market went up, okay, came back down and pushed higher. Now you see here this resistance. Now then the market came down from here 17,100 level to 16,995 or 17,000 level. It made a push higher, but it did not sustain and it came back down. So this resistance was broken around this particular level. Okay, this resistance was broken around this particular level, and the market broke that particular level, came back down here to this level, and it pushed higher from this level. So this marks a very strong support level for Nifty. What is that? 17,000 to 17,020 level. Okay, just below that is the day's low and also a strong support level. Okay, and also a strong support level is what you can see. Now, what is that support level we are talking about? We are talking about 16,965 to 16,975 levels. That's another strong support level is what you're looking at. Okay, is what you're looking at on Nifty. Now, where the Nifty could face resistance, now you see this day's high here of 17,145 levels. As the market opened here at around 17,190 level, it made a push higher, but the sellers came and pushed the prices down. So this level marks a very important resistance, and we are going to wait and watch whether the momentum will continue and it will break out, or we are going to face a resistance around 17,145 to 17,160 level. So this will be the mark of resistance for Nifty for Monday's session, that is for 20th March. Alright, so this is your resistance level. Now, if that resistance breaks, okay, if that resistance breaks, where the Nifty could face its next resistance, the next resistance for Nifty could come around this particular level. Now, what is that level? Around 17,200 to 17,215 level. So these are the levels that I will be watching out for Nifty in Monday's session. Okay, these are the levels I'll be watching out for Nifty in Monday's session. So what are the levels we are talking about? We are talking about the support levels near 17,000 to 17,020 levels. Okay, and 16,965 to 16,975 levels. This is the support levels we are looking at. What is the resistance levels we are talking about? 17,145 to 17,160 levels, and 17,200 to 17,210 levels is the resistance level we are talking about. Presently, the market is near to this particular level. So this is what we are looking at on Nifty. What are we going to look at Nifty now? How we are going to identify the levels on Bank Nifty? What we are going to first mark is we are going to first mark the high on Bank Nifty. Okay, and that Bank Nifty high will be marked by a dashed line, okay, a red dashed line. And next we are going to mark a low on Bank Nifty, which is your blue dotted line. All right. So what was the high on Nifty, Bank Nifty today? 36,700 level was the Bank Nifty high, and 38,926 was the Bank Nifty low. So this is your high and the low. So next we are going to look at where you could see a resistance and where you could see a demand coming in for Bank Nifty. As you can see here, okay, let's first understand where we could see a resistance, support could come in on Bank Nifty. As you can see from this level, okay, now you see here the market, okay, it came down, it pushed higher, it came down, it pushed higher, and this level was acting as a resistance, that is 39,200 was acting as a resistance. That was the last defense here, okay, and the bears managed to push the price down, but it broke higher from this level. So now what we are looking at here is a good strong support level on Bank Nifty at 39,100 to 39,130 levels. 39,100 to 39,130 levels, and we are looking at 39,330 to 39,355 levels. 39,330 to 39,355 levels are your strong uh, support levels. Okay. Now this is your strong support level. Now where is the resistance that the Bank Nifty could face? Now you see here this opening is already broken through. So we could see a momentum higher, and we could see Bank Nifty facing a resistance around this particular zone, that is 39,880 to 39,900 levels. Okay, that is the level the Bank Nifty could face resistance. So presently in today's price action, I am expecting this uh, uh, you know these levels to hold good, okay, for the Monday session. If in case there is any breakout that happen, that might come in the second half, okay, if and only if there is a breakout that is happening above this particular level, it could take a Bank Nifty towards the higher side. So what are we looking at on Bank Nifty levels? We are looking at 39,880 to 39,900 levels as resistance level. Okay, and we are looking at 39,100 to 39,130 as your support levels on Bank Nifty. This is a strong support level, and just below that there's another support level of 38,930 to 38,955 levels. Okay, this is your strong support level. Okay, so I'm expecting these levels to play out, okay, on Bank Nifty in Monday's session. And if there is any kind of weekend news that could take a Bank Nifty a much more higher from this level or much more lower from this level, then we are going to play accordingly as per the price action. All right, so this is how I identify levels on Nifty and Bank Nifty index to take trade. So what level I'm looking to take a long or a short trade? Now this is what the planning will be. Now for example, say suppose there is a gap down. Okay, now the levels that I'm going to look at shorting is if the on Nifty, if there's a gap up opening, okay, to 17,150 or 17,160 levels, okay, and there is a selling coming in on Bank Nifty. If I see any kind of candle that is showing me there is selling happening, then I will look at selling Bank Nifty at 17,150 to 17,160 level, and placing my stop loss above this particular level. Okay, and placing my stop loss above this particular level. If there is a gap up to this particular level, again I'm looking to short around this particular level, if and only if. Okay, remember guys, if and only if there is any kind of price action showing me there is selling coming in. So if 17,200 to 17,210, if the price opens, okay, and there is any selling indication coming in, then above that will be my stop loss, and I'm going to short around that particular level. If there is gap down to this particular level, then I'm going to look at buying. So these levels I'm looking to short. Okay, this level of 39,880 to 39,900 level, if there is a gap up opening, and if there is any kind of selling indication coming up through the price action, then I'm going to look at shorting and place my stop loss about that particular level. If there is a gap down, or if the market gaps down around this particular level, and say for example it comes down, okay, so it gaps down, it comes down to this particular level, and I see any kind of buying, this is my support level. Okay, 39,100 to 39,120 levels, 130 levels my support. If I see any kind of indication of buying coming in, then I'm going to buy and place my stop loss below this particular level. Okay, if there's a gap down, or if there's selling coming into this level also, okay, I doubt it, because the bulls are looking to take a look, good control here. If in case the price comes to this level, then I'm going to look at buying around this level and placing a stop loss below this particular. These are the levels I'm going to look at shorting or taking a long position. Thirdly, what I am going to look at, in which strike price I'll be doing option buying. So I'll just give an example of how I'm looking at, since we are on the Bank Nifty chart. Say for example there is a gap down opening to 39,100 and 100 levels. Okay, 39,100 levels, and if there is a buying indication coming up. Now Monday being the second day of the series start, okay, I will be looking slightly okay, a OTM option. Say for example the market is trading, it opens a gap down and it is trading at 39,130 levels, and I see that okay, that the bulls are coming back. So I'm going to look at 39,200 OTM or 39,300 OTM. Okay, this is the strike price. I'm going to look at buying and placing my stop loss below this level. Okay, and only if there's a good risk to reward. So never forget the RR. Okay, never forget the risk to reward ratio. If say suppose the price comes down to this level and there is a huge bounce, then I'm going to let the trade go because the reward is not in my favor and the risk is pretty high. So I'm not going to take. So I hope which strike price I'll be doing option buying, that idea is clear to you and the example is clear. Okay, so did I take any trade today and did I make any profit or loss today, and the logic behind the trade? I did not take any trade today, and I will show you my position book. If you see the position book, it is empty. You don't have any positions yet as it's showing. I did not take any trades today because I was still not keeping well, and I didn't want my mind to be put into the market. And it's very important that you don't feel like you're down with some kind of illness or you're disturbed. Then it's better not to trade on those particular days. So there was no trade from my side because the markets are open on Monday, and the markets are going to be open for a long time to come. All right. So I hope these videos are helpful to you. So please subscribe to your YouTube channel, Stock Market Teacher. Give a thumbs up, share it with your family and friends, and leave a comment, okay, in the comment section. And if you have any questions or anything that you would like to discuss, so I have put my email ID here. So please do send out an email, okay, what you like to hear and what are the things that you want me to discuss. All right. Until then, all the best in trading session for Monday. Thank you.